Hey there, snack enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of how those crispy, crunchy banana chips you love make their way from the banana tree to your pantry. It's a journey filled with ingenious machines, a touch of science, and of course the star of the show, the humble banana. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and expand your snacking knowledge as we unravel the secrets behind these addictive treats. Buckle up, because things are about to get deliciously informative. Let's kick things off with the basics. The journey of creating the perfect banana chip begins long before it reaches your snack bowl. It starts in the lush green plantations where the bananas are grown with care and precision. What exactly goes into making these golden discs of deliciousness? It's a process that combines nature's bounty with human ingenuity. Well, it all starts with, you guessed it, bananas. But not just any bananas. These are specially cultivated varieties chosen for their texture and flavor, ensuring that every chip is a perfect balance of crunch and taste. But these aren't your average everyday eating bananas. These are hand-picked for their firmness and ripeness, making them ideal for the frying process that turns them into chips. We're talking about specially selected, perfectly ripe bananas that are firm, flavorful, and ready to be transformed. Each banana is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the high standards required for making the best banana chips. Then we've got our trusty sidekicks, salt and pepper, the dynamic duo that adds that extra oomph to every bite. These simple seasonings are crucial in enhancing the natural sweetness of the bananas, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. These simple ingredients are the foundation of our snacking journey. Without them, the banana chips wouldn't have that irresistible taste that keeps you coming back for more. Now let's get down to business and see how these raw materials are magically transformed into the crunchy delights we know and love. From the careful selection of bananas to the precise seasoning, every step is a testament to the art and science of snack making. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of banana chips. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to step inside a real-life banana chips mega factory. Here, the air is filled with the sweet aroma of bananas and the satisfying hum of machinery hard at work. This is where the magic happens, where those simple ingredients we talked about undergo a series of transformations to become the irresistible snacks we crave. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look at the step-by-step process that takes our bananas from fruit to chip. Our journey begins with a refreshing dip in the banana washing machine. Picture this, a giant bubbling bath where tons of bananas take a spin to get squeaky clean. This crucial first step ensures that any dirt, debris, or unwanted passengers hitchhiking on the bananas are sent packing. It's all about maintaining top-notch hygiene and ensuring that every banana chip is made with the freshest, cleanest ingredients. After all, a clean banana is a happy banana, right? Section 3.2, peeling back the layers, from fruit to chip. Once our bananas are sparkling clean, it's time to bid farewell to their protective peels. This is where the banana peeling machine steps in, a marvel of engineering that effortlessly removes the peels with speed and precision. Imagine a mechanical hand that gently grasps each banana, deftly stripping away the peel to reveal the creamy, golden goodness inside. It's a satisfying sight to behold, watching those peels disappear while the naked bananas move on to the next stage of their transformation. Section 3.3, slicing and dicing, getting chip shape ready. Now that our bananas are naked and ready for action, it's time to give them that iconic chip shape. Enter the banana slicing machine, a precision instrument that transforms those whole bananas into thin, uniform slices. Think of it as a super fast mandolin that effortlessly glides through the bananas, creating perfectly shaped chips ready for their date with the fryer. These thin slices are key to achieving that satisfying crunch we all know and love. Section 3.4, the fry zone, where crunchy happens. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for, the frying. The sliced bananas take a dip in a hot bath of oil inside the banana frying machine, where they undergo a magical transformation. The hot oil works its magic, turning those soft, pale slices into crispy, golden brown chips. The air fills with the irresistible aroma of frying bananas, making your stomach rumble in anticipation. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that'll make your mouth water. Section 3.5, Flavortown, Salt and Pepper, please. Welcome to the heart of our flavor journey, where the magic truly happens. Fresh out of the fryer, still hot and glistening, our banana chips are ready for their final touch seasoning. This is the moment where the transformation from simple fried banana slices to a snack sensation begins. This is where our trusty salt and pepper come into play. These humble ingredients are the unsung heroes of our recipe, adding that essential burst of flavor that makes our banana chips irresistible. The seasoning machine takes center stage, showering the chips with just the right amount of salt and pepper for that perfect savory kick. It's a precise process, carefully calibrated to ensure every chip gets an even coating. It's a delicate dance of flavor, ensuring that every chip is evenly coated and bursting with that irresistible salty, peppery goodness. The chips tumble and turn, each one getting its fair share of seasoning, creating a harmonious blend of taste in every bite. This is where those simple ingredients we met earlier truly shine, elevating the flavor of the banana chips to new heights. The salt enhances the natural sweetness of the bananas, while the pepper adds a subtle heat that keeps you coming back for more. Together, they create a snack that's not just tasty, but truly unforgettable. And as the final step, the seasoned chips are carefully packaged, ready to bring joy to snack lovers everywhere. Section 3.6, Bag it up, ready for snacking. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, where all the hard work and meticulous processes come together to create the perfect snack. Our banana chips have been washed, peeled, sliced, fried, seasoned, and are finally ready for their grand finale, packaging. Each step has been carefully executed to ensure the highest quality and taste. From the initial washing to remove any impurities, to the precise peeling and slicing that gives each chip its perfect shape, every detail matters. The packing machine swoops in, efficiently scooping up the cooled and seasoned chips and depositing them into airtight bags. This machine is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to handle the delicate chips with care, while ensuring speed and efficiency. It's fascinating to watch as it works tirelessly, making sure each bag is filled to perfection. These bags are specially designed to preserve the freshness and crunch of our precious cargo, ensuring that every chip remains as delightful as the moment it left the factory. The airtight seal is crucial, as it locks in the flavor and keeps out any moisture that could compromise the texture. Our quality control team meticulously inspects each bag to guarantee that it meets our high standards. And just like that, our banana chips are ready to hit the shelves and find their way into your eager hands. Whether you're grabbing a bag for a quick snack on the go or stocking up for a movie night, you can trust that each chip will deliver the same satisfying crunch and delicious taste. So next time you see our banana chips on the shelf, remember the journey they've been on and enjoy every bite. Section 4. The sweet taste of knowledge. Why this matters. So why go through the trouble of learning about the banana chips manufacturing process? Because knowledge is power, my friends. Understanding where our food comes from and how it's made empowers us to make informed choices as consumers. By peeking behind the curtain of the food industry, we gain a newfound appreciation for the ingenuity, technology, and hard work that goes into creating the snacks we enjoy. Plus, it's just plain fascinating to see how those simple ingredients transform into crunchy, flavorful delights right before our eyes. Section 5, Modern Marvels, Technology, and the Chip. As we've seen, the journey from banana to chip is a testament to the power of modern technology. Each machine, from the washer to the packer, plays a vital role in ensuring the efficiency, hygiene, and consistency of the manufacturing process. Without these technological marvels, mass-producing banana chips would be a time-consuming and labor-intensive endeavor. So next time you reach for a bag of banana chips, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity and innovation that made that crunchy snack possible.